Like, subscribe, and get notified.
दुसरी एक गजाल अशी जाल्या की तितून भितर की अशें खंय तरी अशें वेगळें वळण आयलें की जे खरें कोणाक मनगट्याक कोणाक घेवपाक जाय आसलेलें जे खरें कोणाच्या हात आसलेलो तांकां पावना दुसऱ्याच मनशाचें इन्वेस्टिगेशन दुसऱ्या डायरेक्शनान गेलें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सांगपाक म्हटल्यार पुजा शर्माक धरपाक खूब जाणांनी अशें म्हणलें की पुजा शर्मा कडल्यान तुमी कितले पयशे घेतले आमच्या क्लायंटाक म्हणलें अमकें अमको हो सगळो इशू चालू आसा. हांव म्हणटा की आज पुलीस इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजन्सीन पुलिसान पुजा शर्माक विचारला काय एनी एविडन्स इज देर अगेन पुजा शर्मा देर आनी प्लस प्रोसिजर्स आसात. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ सपोज एक मनीस खंय तरी सस्पेक्ट आसा ताका 41 नोटीस जी आमी अवनीश कुमार म्हणटात 41 नोटीस धाडपाक जाय. ताका विचारपाक जाय बाबा वेदर यू आर इनवॉल्ड इन दीस हाव यू आर इनवॉल्ड इन दीस तुजें क्लॅरिफिकेशन कितें आणि मागीर इफ शी डजंट गिव अ प्रॉपर क्लॅरिफिकेशन शी हॅज टू बी अरेस्टेड.
पूजा शर्मा एक अशी हस्ती जावन पडलेली ह्या गोंयांत ती सगळ्यांकूच विकते घेता. आयज DGP सुद्दां तेणें विकतो घेतलो आसा. खरें म्हणल्यार DGPचो अर्थ कितें डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलीस, पण म्हाका दिसता डकेती गोवन प्रॉपर्टी अशें तेंच्या ऑफिसाचें नांव दवरलेलें आसा आतां. कारण जो तो डकेती घालूंक सोदता तेणें आयज खरें DGP जो आसा जसपाल सिंग म्हणटा तो एक डकेत जाल्लो आसा गोंयच्या प्रॉपर्टीचेर हल्लो करपा खातीर. आनी आयज ही सगळी डकेती करून हे प्रॉपर्टी घेवपा खातीर हेंचें एक तरेचो एक ऑर्गनायझेशन जाल्लें आसा. आनी तितून काही पुलिसूय आमचे गुंतलेले आसा. कारण आमचें गोंय कशें सांबाळपाचें हें तांकां खबर ना, फक्त पयशे तांकां व्हडले दिसता. आयज DGP सारको मनीस जर आपलो कायदो म्हणटा तो शरण करता पुजा शर्माच्या एक व्यक्ती खातीर जाल्यार आनी कितें उरलां आमकां. पुजा शर्मा ही कोण न्ही, ती एक क्रिमिनल आसा आनी आयज ती इन्वेस्टिगेशनाक साथ दिना. अशा बायलेक उखलून हाडून ताका पयलीं भितर उडोवपाची गरज जावन आसा. कारण एका धडो शिकोवंकूच जाय. हें गोंयचें अस्तित्व जर सांबाळटलो तर पुजा शर्मा सारक्या मनशांक कायद्यान म्हणटा ते दवरपाचेच ना, कारण तांकां म्हणटा ती शासन हें जावंकूच जाय.
Why isn't Pooja Sharma been arrested till today? Why is she being the rightful and legal owner of that thing by the way of a sale deed? Why isn't she here today? Why isn't she being questioned? Now again comes the question whether that Kumar really exists and whether he's which Kumar we really don't know. There again is a failure of the department. This is a crime branch case. People should be interrogated who's entering that place and who's going out from there. As I said earlier, phone calls should be tapped at this moment. When the property is mine, and even Agarwadekar, the Mrs., she said that the Pooja Sharma is not aware of our existence in the place. Okay, when Pooja Sharma doesn't know anyone who's existing, but she knows that she's the legal owner of this property which she has bought recently, why is she building it and giving it back? This comes to the conclusion, the connection is that somebody is telling also Pooja what to do in this entire situation.
Jenna I have property geta. Now say that I am Pooja Sharma. I have taken a property from here and without looking at the documents I am buying that property. Does not the survey plan show that there is an existing house in that? So this shows that when the tax is being paid, everything is paid, all the records are in the panchayat. So she has not even bothered to look into the matter to see Baba what is the area of the house, what is the area of the plot, nothing. She is hiding something in this. I feel that she is most guilty. I mean, I also doubt that if that person who has come as an advisor to them, to this lady who is the complainer, I feel like very fishy things. I am saying that he has not come only. This is all like interaction between Pooja and her. And because of the greed of money, it is a very shame as a woman to say that because of greed of money, she has disrespected our Sarpanch, our MLA and our CM.
It's been almost a week for the Asagaon demolition case, and just in this past 2 days there have been two major developments that have been making rounds in Goa. One is the crime branch SP, that is Mr. Rahul Gupta, has said that they are going to serve summons to Pooja Sharma, who is the prime accused in the entire demolition matter. They are going to serve summons to her to appear in this matter, and she's going to be personally appearing before the crime branch to depose and give her statement in the matter. Secondly, there has been a major development, that is, it is being heard that the government has recommended for the transfer of the Director General of Police, who came under the scanner of in the entire case because of his alleged intervention in the matter while demolition. It is after a letter of the PI Anjuna, that is Prashal Desai, came to the fore, and various media reported reported the contents of the letter, where it mentioned that the Director General of Police was intervening in the matter and had allegedly asked for the development for the demolition of the structure immediately. Though this has been making rounds in the media, there is complete radio silence from the police as well as the power centers of Goa on this matter. But it is being heard because there is a section of media which has also said that the IGP of Goa, that is Omveer Singh Vishnoi, who was on a trip to US, has been asked to curtail his trip and come back to Goa. Probably everything is hinting towards the action against the Director General of Police, but nothing confirmed has come out in this matter. Meanwhile, there is complete radio silence on what happens to Pooja Sharma and what happens to the compromised language that was being spoken by the complainants in the matter. Today, Asagaon Panchayat also had a body meeting where they decided, where they took up the matter of a complaint that has been filed by a RTI activist, where he has asked to take action against Pooja Sharma for demolishing the structure, and also he has asked not to give any permission to the Agarwadekars to rebuild any structure on that land. This changes a lot of things, because the Panchayat has now decided to go ahead and communicate to the BDO to have a site inspection in this matter, and make it clear on what stand does Panchayat get to take. In the meanwhile, there is also going to be a extraordinary meeting that is going to be held at the Asagaon Panchayat tomorrow, where all these things are going to be discussed threadbare. Meanwhile, there is no confirmation on the DGP news that has been coming out that he may be transferred. But the SP of Crime Branch has said that they are in a process to issue summons to Pooja Sharma to appear before the Crime Branch, and that is going to be happening very soon. This is Pratik Parab for Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.